Hey loves, welcome back to Sometimes I Love You More. Today's video, I'm upstairs in my guest bathroom and I'm going to organize the vanity with a lot of the items I got in my recent Dollar Tree haul. So if you're interested, let's get into it. So jumping right into the video, here's underneath my cabinets. I don't really have a lot going on right now, but usually at the beginning of the year I coupon. So I wanted to go ahead and get an organization system so when I bring in all the items, I'll have space. Here I'm taking out everything and putting the stackable bins together so that I can go ahead and figure out what goes with what and categorize everything. And as I'm going through, I'm going ahead and taking everything out of their boxes or containers just so I'll save a little bit more space in the bins. Then I began putting everything back under the cabinets and deciding on how I wanted the layout to look. So in the drawers, I use these little bumpers on the bottom of the white containers so that they wouldn't slide around in the drawers. But I already had the same style of containers from Dollar Tree in those drawers, except for they were blue. And I did end up finding blue stackable bins for our bathroom, so I just decided to trade them out so that they would match. Then I'm just deciding if I want to use the same system I had before or utilize some of the acrylic containers that I've purchased, seeing how everything's going to fit into the drawers. As I was organizing, I decided to replace the tiny little jars I had on the countertop with the glass jars that I picked up in my Dollar Tree haul. So I went ahead and filled those with some cotton balls and Q-tips that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. And with whatever was left over, I went ahead and put in some of the Dollar Tree acrylic containers. Okay guys, so here is the finished bathroom after I'm done organizing it. I just put everything back in place for now, but I'll show you the drawers and cabinets. So, in this first drawer closest to the toilet, I have some toothbrushes and toothpaste, kids toothpaste and floss sticks. In this drawer, I have a hairbrush and combs, hair bows, and bobby pins. I got all of this from the Dollar Tree. The combs I honestly don't recommend. They're very, very thin and flimsy. They don't hold up in my fine hair, so I don't really recommend those. The brush is good though. Okay, on this first side I have the two green systems set up as well as some of the acrylic containers. And I'll get you a little closer to see what's in them. So as you can see looking down, I have some bubble bath, female products, hair stuff. These are just extras that I have. And then shaving accessories in that bottom one, razors and my husband's shaving cream. In the two little acrylic containers, I have Q-tips and cotton balls, everything extra. All the cotton balls wouldn't fit into one with the little lid, but I just put them in there with the Q-tips since there weren't a lot of those left over. And over here, I have another one of these green containers I got full of trash bags or extra grocery bags so that guests can use them to put dirty laundry in or whatever the case may be. On this side, I kept the white containers. In the back, I have cleaning products. The front one is empty, so I have room to grow. I just put my husband's hair clippers at the front with his brush. He likes to cut his hair in here so he can just vacuum it up and it's not all over the place in our bathroom. And then in the back green one, I have some washcloths. In this front empty space, I may be putting hand towels if I don't put them in that white container there. And here's on top of the vanity. The little floral in the back is a craft that I made. Those 2 glass jars with the cotton stems and Q-tips are from the Dollar Tree. The candle's also from the Dollar Tree. It actually smells really good. It's not strong, but it has a good aroma in the room. This little sign is from Hobby Lobby. It was originally $30, but I'm sure I got it on one of the half-off deals. And here is the final look of the bathroom. The shower curtain and laundry basket are from Walmart. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please like it down below and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, bye y'all.